What I wish I knew about international shipping before starting my e-commerce empire. If you're looking to send or receive cargo globally without the hassle, listen up. Express Cargo Service is your go-to solution. With door-to-door service, you don't need to step outside your office. From Karachi to Lahore to Islamabad, we connect you to major world markets like the USA, Europe, and UAE. Worried about customs? We handle that too. Whether it's commercial, personal, or industrial goods, Express Cargo ensures your items are safe, sound, and on schedule. Pause for emphasis. And here's a kicker for all you e-commerce moguls. We're fully equipped to manage your Amazon FBA needs. From China to Amazon's warehouses in the USA, consider your logistics sorted. Express Cargo isn't just a service, it's your global trade partner, making international business smooth and secure. So why wait? Boost your business with Express Cargo and make shipping